today's video, I am taking you with me to Hobby Lobby. We were looking for some new fall florals, and the first thing I saw were these cosmos. They were so pretty. Guys, these hydrangeas, oh my gosh, they look so similar to the ones that you would see at Pottery Barn. If you missed my last video, I talked about that. They are so pretty and so affordably priced compared to the ones from Pottery Barn. As you can see, the stems are really long, as well as the head of the florals. But what really captured my attention are these beautiful dried looking hydrangeas. Oh my gosh, look at this color. So perfect for fall. I am actually going to pick up a few bundles of these florals to use to decorate my daughter's home for fall. So if you missed my house to home decorating series where we are decorating my daughter's home using items that we are thrifting in my $20 challenge, I will leave it linked in the description box down below, so make sure you go check it out. Another thing that I fell in love with were these berries. So pretty. I don't think I would decorate with them, but they are still really pretty. So I'm going to stop talking for a bit, let you enjoy the video, and then I'll come back in when I see something that catches my attention. These stems are so pretty. For those of you who like this style, it comes in a variety of colors, and as you can see, very affordable. The stems are really long, but I think it would make a perfect statement and an entryway. I saw these Moody art prints, and oh my gosh, I think they would look so perfect in your kitchen in a vignette for fall. I love the green and the yellow. Typically, I do not go for these type of colors, but you guys know I love a Moody fall vibe, and I thought those would look perfect in my kitchen. And at $14.99 at 50% off, you cannot beat that price. I did not pick it up, but I am seriously thinking about it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these art prints. elevate the piece of art we got that is a little too small for me. So I'm going to take these and try to elevate the piece. These look like they're made out of wood, but they're not. They're plastic. They look cute. Something that you might see from Pottery Barn. Neutral. Robert Stanley always has some good things. So they have a small one and a larger one. And the larger one is $39.99. And fall is 40% off, so those would look really cute. But not my style, but maybe my daughter might like them. One of these years ago. She can use it in her kitchen. It's very nice. A lot of this stuff is totally not my style, but every now and again you can find something here that fits everyone's decor style. These rattan baskets are really nice. So you have the small one for $37.99. The larger one is $46.99 at 40% off. Little spoons are cute. $3.99. These are cute. $9.99. $8.49. These are cute. Not my colors, but cute nonetheless.